On July 22, 1947, the Indian tricolour was adopted as the national flag by the Constituent Assembly. Designed by Pingali Venkaiah, the flag features saffron at the top, symbolizing strength and courage, white in the middle, representing truth and peace, and green at the bottom, reflecting a connection with the soil and environment. The Ashok Chakra in the center signifies the wheel of the law and represents speed and progress. Since its adoption, the flag has remained unchanged. Initially, citizens could only display the flag on national festivals, but a 2002 amendment to the Indian Flag Code now allows respectful hoisting of the flag at homes, shops, factories, and offices year-round. On July 22, 2019, the Indian Space Research Organisation launched its second lunar mission, Chandrayaan-2, aiming to explore the moon's south pole. The mission included 3 components: the orbiter, lander Vikram, and rover Pragyan. Launched by the GSLV Mk3M1 rocket from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh, the orbiter successfully collected valuable data while orbiting the moon. However, lander Vikram lost contact during its descent, reportedly tilting 410 degrees instead of intended 55 degrees. Despite this, the orbiter continued to function well, providing crucial images and information. Muthulakshmi Reddy, a renowned doctor and social worker, passed away on July 22, 1968 at the age of 81. India's first female MLA and a Padma Bhushan recipient, Reddy was profoundly influenced by Swami Vivekananda and Gandhi. She championed women's rights, fought against the Devdasi system, advocated laws to prevent child marriage and trafficking, and raised the age of consent for marriage to 14. Following her sister's death from cancer, she founded the Adyar Cancer Institute in 1954, now one of the world's largest cancer hospitals. Her legacy continues through her contributions to social reform and health care.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल। PhD MPhil किसी भी विषय में। डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। Education glorifies nation.
Born on July 22, 1970 in Nagpur, Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis is currently the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra. He served as the Chief Minister from 2014 to 2019, becoming the first BJP Chief Minister to complete a full term. Fadnavis also led the Maharashtra state unit of BJP from 2013 to 2015 and was the leader of opposition from 2019 to 2022. At a young age, he became Nagpur's youngest municipal servant in 1992 and later its mayor in 1997. Known as a capable and visionary leader, Fadnavis has significantly contributed to Maharashtra's development. On July 22, 1942, Nazi soldiers began deporting Jews from the Warsaw Ghetto to the Treblinka concentration camp, marking the start of one of the most lethal phases of Holocaust. Established in 1940, the Warsaw Ghetto housed around 4 lakh Jews under dire conditions with severe shortage of food, medical care and sanitation. Treblinka, located in Poland, was a site of mass extermination where most Jews were killed in gas chambers. On the first day of deportations, about 6,000 Jews were sent to Treblinka. Over the next 2 months, approximately 3 lakh Jews were deported and largely exterminated, with survivors either killed or sent to other camps.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiast and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.